Hey everybody, it's Matt, and this is the Rexing V3 dual channel 1080p dash cam. Dual channel because you have one camera facing the outside, one camera inside your cabin. I've already taken the liberty to unbox this, and I just wanted to show you everything that's inside the packaging. So you've got your power cable here, along with your wire hiding tool, connector cable that connects your camera to your PC. This is one of the two mounts it comes with. It basically comes with two of the same mount. I've already put one in my SUV, so that's why you only see the single mount there, and then all the paperwork. So a couple things that this camera offers you with purchase is a free 32 gig micro SD card if you leave a review, so just follow the instructions on the buck slip. And in addition, Rexing does offer a free hardwire kit as well if you follow the other instructions on this buck slip here. Just going to bring that hardwire kit into view. So this is what the hardwire kit looks like when it arrives in the mail. For the purposes of this review, I don't actually hardwire the camera into my vehicle because I do have to return it. But I am now going to mount this to my vehicle, go for a drive, and I'm going to talk to you about some more features that this camera has while you watch some footage. Let's start first by talking about the front camera. It's a wide 170-degree angle view that films at a default 1080p at 30 frames per second. You don't really need to tinker too much with the recording settings, but you might want to change the date and time, or you can sync it straight up to your phone through its onboard Wi-Fi and it'll add your location's date and time for you. You will still have to go into the camera settings to turn daylight savings off and make sure you have the right time zone listed. One major feature of the Rexing V3 dashcam is the advanced driver assist. ADAS isn't a feature that's common in dash cams. In fact, in all the cameras I've reviewed for Best Buy, only 2 or 3 of the 11 or 12, maybe 15 that I've reviewed now have it. This actually has the most involved ADAS system that I've ever seen in any camera. Most ADAS systems usually signal that you're not changing lanes and cutting somebody off, and this one signals dangers in the roads and gauges distances too, more often than any other camera that I've seen. This leads me to an important piece to pick up on: placement of the camera. If you place this too far off center, I found trouble with the ADAS. It started picking up random objects and deeming them to be dangerous. Here's an example of an off-center placement where I've placed it fairly up high, close to where I was mounting a previous dash cam that I reviewed. It started to pick up a lot of the objects on the right side of the road as dangers and audibly beeping nonstop, even parked cars and things on the sidewalk. Here's a mount closer to center. The ADAS will cease beeping nonstop here and start to gauge objects and their distances much better. Other features on this camera include a supercapacitor temperature control that allows it to operate as high as 70 degrees Celsius. There are full parking capture mechanics through the onboard G sensor as well, but these will only work if you wire the camera to the vehicle using the Rexing hardwire kit. Inside, the in-cabin camera has a 150-degree view inside your cabin. The rear camera is on a ratcheting swivel to ensure that you can set it to the right angle inside your car. Again, this is a great feature for those of you that ride share, or you want to capture, the fares inside your vehicle for the sake of safety, or for those of you that want to capture the goings-on inside your car. Unfortunately, I don't have much exciting to share here. It's just me, and occasionally it's my daughter in the car as well. The inboard camera also has a smart infrared night vision option, as you can see here, and any audio captured is synced automatically to the interior-facing and exterior-facing camera. Outside, the wide dynamic range on your camera will automatically adjust and capture clear footage no matter how much or how little light there is. Footage is very clean, very crisp, and can be accessed through what I'm doing here, which is offloading videos onto my PC. So we're watching the footage directly on the camera or through the Rexing Connect app. You simply enable Wi-Fi through the in-camera menu, sync it to your phone, and then you can access all your footage as you need it. You can do some really, really baseline stuff too, like trim videos if need be. And the Wi-Fi is really responsive, but if you're interested in bulk amounts of footage, my recommendation would be just going the computer route, since the videos film at about 160 megs for every 3-minute continuous loop, so it'll take a while for you to cycle through each video in the app. The camera supports memory cards as large as 256 gigs, but do be aware that anything larger than 32 gigs will likely need to be FAT32 partitioned in order to operate properly. My recommendation would be formatting the card once you have it in your dashcam, just what aligns to the camera's preferences. It'll start recording automatically after that. So who's the target market for a dashcam like this? Well, with an outside and in-cabin camera, I would say that it's perfect for someone that does a lot of ride sharing. your everyday consumer might actually want a dual camera system that has one of these that'll attach to the back of your vehicle, be a rear camera. But either way, this is a Rexing V3 dual channel 1080 dash cam, now available online at bestbuy.ca. Thanks for watching the review. My name is Matt. Please subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this, and we'll see you next time.